You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, let's learn how to pronounce this word in French. It's a word that has its origin from French, so I'm tired. Pirogue is the French pronunciation pirogue. Now in English, it's either pronounced pirogue with a stress on the first syllable or pirogue on the second syllable, because in French, pirogue, there's no stress on any particular syllable. Pirogue is the French pronunciation here, and now pirogue, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.